So are Alexander McQueens really worth the hype? Are they worth the price? What is up guys, welcome back to another video. Right, so today we've got something a little bit different. It's actually to do with trainers. So I don't usually do loads of videos on trainers or footwear, but I thought it'd be quite interesting because I got a pair of these. Everybody is getting hyped about these, or they have been for the past year. Alexander McQueen trainers, oversized sneakers. I got the ones just with the black on the back of them, but I thought it'd be quite interesting to see if I think these are actually worth the price compared to a pair of Stan Smiths, the classic. I know they're an oversized, but I thought it's pretty interesting. These are the classic. These are the new ones that are coming in, but they're very expensive compared. So it'd be quite interesting to compare, see what they're both like. I'm gonna try on them both. Something that I thought was a little bit strange, right? Because they're really big and clunky, they've got a massive heel, massive sole. They actually make me like 6'4", which is massive. I'm like 6'2", but I'm so tall in these, which is pretty cool. So if you're a shorter person, that's kind of a plus for you. And also, one more thing, I had to size down for them. I'm usually a UK size 10, and these are actually a UK size 9. I'd never have to do that. So they are quite a big trainer. Just bear that in mind if you are going to get some. Make sure you go a full size down, not half a size, a full size. Right, let's try them on, see what they look like on the foot. They do look nice, don't they? They are a nice looking trainer. Very nice to wear with some nice jeans or some nice pants. Proper fresh and clean. Definitely like a holiday trainer, aren't they, as well? So as you can see, they are a really nice looking pair of trainers. I do really like them. I've only worn them a couple of times. One thing I am going to say is that they're not the comfiest trainers you're ever going to wear, but I didn't expect them to be. I didn't expect them to be super comfy, like a pair of Ultra Boosts, do you know what I mean? But they can rub a little bit. I'm not going to lie. If you're spending this amount of money on shoes, you do want them to be comfy, don't you? So they do rub me a little bit. I think it's because I've got wide feet, but they do fit. Like the size down fits me more or less spot on. They're just not the comfiest of trainers. That is coming from someone who has a lot of pairs of trainers, so I've tried on so many different pairs. So I thought I'd try on a pair of Stan Smiths, just so you can see like the direct comparison. Obviously these are a lot smaller on the sole and the heel, not as chunky, not as oversized, but they are comfier. Stan Smiths are definitely comfier. Probably maybe a little bit more versatile as well. These are just a classic, aren't they? They're never going to go out of fashion, a Stan Smith. Affordable, what are they like, £75, £70? A lot more affordable, you can get about 4 or 5 pairs than the McQueens, but they're not designer, are they? It's just Adidas at the end of the day. Everyone has them. Are you going to stand out? Maybe not. They are a really nice pair of shoes though, aren't they? Can't beat a Stan Smith. Right, so I just thought I'd try on the Stan Smiths just so you can see a comparison. I know they're not the same price bracket, I know they're not the same market, but do you know what I mean? Like, it's nice to compare a high-end designer shoe to something a little bit cheaper, just to see if this is actually worth the price. £360 these Alexander McQueen shoes are. They're really nice. I'm a big fan of them. I'm glad I've got a pair. If you're not earning good money, if you've not got a disposable income, you don't need to get a pair of Alexander McQueens to look good, to look cool, or to make the outfit complete. It's just nice to have if you're into designer stuff. That's my conclusion. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop it a like. Let's try and get it to 200 likes. It's really going to help me out. I'm going to link both trainers in the description. And yeah, let me know if you like these type of videos where I just compare designer to high street. I know Adidas isn't really high street, but it's kind of that similar type of video. And let me know if you do enjoy trainer or sneaker videos as well. One more thing before we go, check out Sullivan Clothing, my own brand. These box logo t-shirts will be coming out along with the cotton essential t-shirts with the big Sullivan writing there. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, don't forget to drop it a like. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you later.